In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Format Painter to copy and apply formatting in Microsoft Word. If you've ever tried to match fonts, colors, sizes, or styles across a document, Format Painter is the fastest way to get consistent results without manually tweaking each part. Think of it as a styling copier. It copies the formatting from one place and applies it to another, whether it's text, shapes, or other objects. Start by selecting the text or object that already looks the way you want. This is your source. For text, make sure your selection includes everything that carries the look you need, things like font style, size, color, and any bold or italics. If you're working with an object, like a shape, click it once to select it so Word knows exactly which formatting to copy. Next, go to the Home tab. In the Clipboard group, click the Format Painter button, the one with the paintbrush icon. As soon as you click it, your cursor will change to a paintbrush. That's your visual cue that Format Painter is active and ready to apply the copied look. Now, move to where you want the formatting to go. For text, click and drag over the exact words or lines you want to update. As soon as you release the mouse, the formatting you copied will be applied. For objects, simply click the target object once, and it will take on the same style as your source. This could include fill color, outlines, and other visual attributes. By default, Format Painter works once. After you apply the formatting to the first target, it turns off automatically. If you need to style another area, just repeat the process. Select your source again and click Format Painter. If you want to apply the same formatting to multiple places in one go, double-click the Format Painter button instead of single-clicking it. Double-clicking locks it on, so your cursor keeps the paintbrush as you move through your document. Apply the formatting to one selection, then go right to the next and the next without reselecting the source. You'll know it's still active as long as you see that paintbrush cursor. That's all there is to it. Select the example that looks right, activate Format Painter, apply it where needed, and use a double click when you want to keep going. With this simple workflow, you'll keep your documents consistent and polished in a fraction of the time.